Find the equation of the line tangent to f of x equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 4 at x equals -1. I don't know what this looks like, but I know it's a cubic, and I know at some point x is going to equal -1, and I'm supposed to find the line tangent to that at -1. Well, what do I know? I know that the slope of the tangent line is found by taking the derivative. So in order to find the slope, I have to take the derivative of u. So slope equals f prime of x, which is going to involve me taking the power rule. Drop the 3 down, subtract 1. So drop the 3 down, subtract 1, u become u. Drop the 2 down, multiply it to 2, so I get 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 1, x to the invisible 1. If I were to take the derivative of -4, I get nothing. Now, I care about my slope when x is -1, so I have to take f prime of -1 and plug in -1 to both x's. 3 times -1 squared plus 4 times -1. That gets me 3 times regular 1 minus 4, which is going to be -1. So my slope is -1. So the picture that I drew here, not that accurate. That's all right. It's not literally the picture that I care about, it's the equation. I have my slope. What I don't have is a point. I do have the x value of a point. So in order to find the y value of the point, why don't I plug that -1 into that guy and find my y value? So my y value is going to be f of -1, which is going to be -1 cubed plus 2 times -1 squared minus 4. -1 cubed is -1. -1 squared is 1, so 2 times 1 is plus 2, and then minus 4. -1 plus 2 minus 4 looks to be -3. So my y value is -3. So what I have is I have a slope of -1 and the point of -1, -3. I'm going to use point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1 to build my equation. All right, so y minus negative, so you would be my y sub 1, you would be my x sub 1, you would be my m, y minus -3 equals m, which is -1, times the quantity x minus x sub 1, which is -1. And cleaning that up just a little bit more, y minus -3 is y plus 3. I don't need the -1 part, I just need the negative. And x minus -1 is x plus 1. And that's a reasonable answer. And if you wanted to make that slope-intercept form, then distribute the negative and subtract 3 from both sides. Either way, this is acceptable, and this is going to be my slope of the tangent line of that cubic function at x equals -1.